So what these drawings right here are depicting are each of the wall sections. So you'll see these blue lines. Those blue lines do indicate those electrical chases. So just as I've kind of showed you in a couple of those other instances, you've got your 16 and your 45, and those are measurements from finished floor. And then you've got your 4 foot on center horizontal chases. So there's both horizontal and vertical chases built into the system. What you want to do is you want to build from the furthest away from you and then build towards yourself. Corners give you the ability to find a true plumb and square for that corner, and then you can work off of those for the rest of the walls. They're just easier. You don't have to keep squaring them up. I mean, basically, because they're much larger sections, you don't have to square as often. So they've worked about a half an hour pre-assembling a lot of this stuff. So now comes the lifting party time for the next half hour. So they got 3 big panels to lift. They've pre-drilled holes in here for the straps that they're using to lift the panels. Once those are in place and once that's done, they'll go back in and foam fill those in before, of course, siding and sheetrock and everything, part of the whole sealing process. They pre-assembled that particular panel. It's got 3 windows in it, a header, 2 side panels, mullions between the windows, and now they're just setting the panel. They've actually strapped around the header when they're lifting that wall. The numbers on the wall traditionally establish the inside and outside aspect of it. So if you look at those panels, you'll see the numbers that are shown there on the inside of the wall. And those are also corresponding to those shop drawings that we create. So they're kind of wiggling it back and forth so that it seats down properly over the bottom plate. And now they'll plumb it up, and then they'll get a nail gun and nail, again, the 6 inches on center down both sides of that plate line. And then finally tie everything together with the top plate that goes in. So what they did is they've got a couple different pre-assembly tables. So they're installing 3 and 4 wall sections at a time. They'll put together 3 and 4 wall sections, and then they'll start up the crane and install them all in one big chute.